Hello viewers, welcome back to Iha Designs. Here in-house production Indo-Western concept A-line top or A-line frock in the collection. Order place 10 days in dispatching violet color price $999. $999 rate in the Indo-Western concept. We had in-house worth miss series launch different colors. That's almost dispatched reviews second color edition navy blue store vlog once wear comfort comfortable beautiful violet tone $999 range. Try next one is olive green tone. It's cute. I am colors confused. This color is sample colors because it's comfy and travel bottom wear washable last time we had in-house center V pattern plus bust level gathers Indo-Western touch back in normal A-line cut $999 range. Try it. Next color is jet black tone, super cute jet black color. It's very comfortable concept. Miss made in-house $999 range. Try it. Next color is Rani pink, super cute Rani color, beautiful gathers A-line Indo-Western top here in-house $999 range. Try it. Next color is Rama green. Rama green is a type of peacock green. Every color you colors purchase because once I wear it review, I personally use it and confident favorite color comment this kind of Indo-Western use try it once change dressing style and patterns. For suggestions comment box comment. Thank you.